Oh, I got your question here in the email. Let's see. At one point, the average price of regular gasoline was $3.64, so that's like the mean, I guess. Assume that the standard deviation price is 5 cents per gallon. So standard deviation 5%. And use Chebyshev's inequality answer the following. Okay, so at least blank percent of the gasoline had prices within 2 standard deviations of mean. Okay, so here's the formula. It's 1 minus 1 over k squared times a quantity that times 100. So k is just a standard deviation. So for part A here, you put in 2 there. So pretty straightforward. I mean, that's a fourth. 1 minus a fourth is 0.75 times 100. I mean, 75%. So it's just a matter of plugging and doing arithmetic, and that gives you this part A. Part B, I guess, you want to put in 1.5. So, I didn't work it out, but, instead of 2, you'd put in 1.5 and use this formula. I did work out this second part of part B here. The prices that are within 1.5 standard deviation. Well, here's the mean. Standard deviation was given. Well, 1.5 times standard deviation, if you multiply that by 1.5, it's 0.075. So you just want to add and subtract that from the mean. So the mean minus that, and the mean plus that, gives you these two prices here that they're mentioning. Hope this helps.